Nate here at Dry Dock Marine Center. Today we're talking about this pre-owned 2010 Bennington 20 SLI 2-tube boat, full vinyl flooring throughout. It's got docking lights. A lot of just little surface scratches here, some into the graphics there. Kind of all over the boat, but still not in real bad. Again, a couple more scratches here, just a pre-owned boat. As we move around the back here, you'll see this stainless steel telescoping ladder, a 50 Mercury Bigfoot. This boat does come with a Talon sandbar auger. Just press a button and has remotes that operate that. It does come with an American flag. Again, you can see some of the graphic scratches over here, but overall in really nice shape. Like we said, full vinyl flooring throughout this entire boat. Nice big rear storage here. Your traditional L group seating with a removable table. Got a movable cup holder there. Helm seat. Seating for 10 on this boat. Sony CD player. Port side bench. Starboard, nice long bench there. If you have questions on this boat or any other boat here at Dry Dock Marine Center, please give us a call.